1. 1974 Jeep J10, $7,900, Priest River, Idaho. This 1974 Jeep J10 is a well-preserved classic pickup with a straight body and a 4-wheel manual transmission, perfect for enthusiasts seeking rugged vintage utility. With only 32,880 miles on the odometer, it includes upgrades such as new chrome valve covers, an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, a new brake reservoir, a fresh battery, and a recent tune-up. Additional parts like new leaf springs and totes of extras add value. Despite a non-functional gas gauge, the truck remains reliable. The orange paint and clean title make this a collectible gem with a rich family history. (1973) Chevrolet C10 long bed, $3,000, Texas. This 1973 Chevrolet C10 long bed is an affordable project for classic truck enthusiasts. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it features 20-inch wheels, a GPS speedometer, and a clean title. While the starter and battery need replacement, the truck runs well. Some rust is visible on the tailgate, hood, and quarter panel, but the overall condition is solid for its age. Ideal for a weekend restoration or as a unique vintage daily driver. (3) 1979 Ford Ranchero GT, $6,750, San Antonio, Texas. This 1979 Ford Ranchero GT combines muscle car aesthetics with pickup truck utility. It houses a rebuilt 351M V8 engine with less than 15,000 miles, paired with an automatic transmission and functioning air conditioning. Requires a recharge. Recent updates include new carpeting and a modern stereo. While the interior needs a headliner and gauge panel, and the rear windshield is cracked, the Ranchero drives smoothly and boasts a clean title. A great option for collectors seeking a practical classic. (4) 1976 Chevrolet 3/4-ton pickup, $1,250, Deer Park, Washington. This 1976 Chevrolet 3/4-ton pickup is an economical workhorse ideal for farm or utility use. Equipped with a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission, it offers power steering and brakes for ease of operation. The truck has typical rust for its age, and the odometer has rolled over. Despite its cosmetic imperfections, it runs well and is a bargain for those seeking reliable vintage transportation or a straightforward restoration project. (5) 1970 Chevrolet C20, San Gabriel, California. This 1970 Chevrolet C20 stands out with its originality and low mileage. Featuring a 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 80,000 miles, this truck includes brand new tires and a steel lockbox bed. The clean title, smog exemption, and up-to-date registration add convenience. With a classic design and no factory air conditioning, it's a solid choice for purists or anyone seeking a reliable vintage truck with practical utility. (6) 1977 Ford Short Bed Custom, $4,800, Houston, Texas. This 1977 Ford Short Bed Custom offers a combination of classic style and functionality. Powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission, it features power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. While it has rust and common trouble spots, the truck remains a complete and solid candidate for restoration or use as a vintage daily driver. 7. 1971 Chevrolet Short Bed, $9,500, Kingman, Arizona. This 1971 Chevrolet Short Bed is a partially restored step-side pickup with tremendous potential. Fitted with an 80s Corvette 350 engine and automatic transmission, it runs despite sitting in storage for 20 years. The temporary paint prevents rust, but the truck lacks a dashboard. Ideal for restoration enthusiasts, this classic Chevy offers a unique opportunity to customize a short bed icon. At 8. 1973 Dodge D100, 9,000 Tahuya, Washington. This 1973 Dodge D100 is a vintage powerhouse featuring a freshly rebuilt 360 engine with performance upgrades such as a 340 M1 intake, headers, and a Holley carburetor. The truck also includes a rebuilt 727 transmission, a low-car shifter, and sure-grip rear-end gears. While small for a family, it's a thrilling option for classic truck enthusiasts. With additional restoration parts included, this Dodge offers both value and performance. Nine 1979 Chevrolet Pickup, $4,900, Chehalis, Washington. This 1979 Chevrolet 1-ton 4x4 pickup is a robust utility vehicle featuring a rebuilt 400 SBC engine and a manual transmission. With an original worn winch bumper and flatbed, it's equipped for heavy-duty tasks. The rebuilt title reflects professional frame repairs, and while the truck requires cosmetic and mechanical attention, it's a solid foundation for a restoration or rugged utility use. (10) 1970 Ford Ranchero, $9,500, Portland, Oregon. This 1970 Ford Ranchero is an excellent example of a classic coupe utility vehicle. Powered by a rebuilt 302 V8 engine, it features a new carburetor, bench seat, door panels, dash pad, and headliner. While the paint and door seals need attention, the vehicle is rust-free and mechanically sound. A clean title and complete trim make this Ranchero a desirable classic for collectors or enthusiasts seeking an affordable, functional classic. (11) 1979 Ford F-150 Short Bed 4x4, $5,300, Snohomish, Washington. This 1979 Ford F-150 Short Bed 4x4 is a project truck with a 300 inline-6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The vehicle runs but requires rust repairs, particularly on the floor pans, replacement pans included. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts or collectors, this truck offers vintage charm with plenty of potential for customization or restoration. 12. 1976 Toyota Hilux, $5,000, Hillsboro, Oregon. This 1976 Toyota Hilux is a compact, fuel-efficient classic pickup with an estimated 12-gallon tank capable of long drives. Recent maintenance includes new brakes, tires, a catalytic converter, and a muffler repair. However, it requires substantial work, such as an engine rebuild, bed repairs, and addressing various leaks. While functional, it's best suited for restoration or as a collector's piece for those who appreciate vintage Japanese trucks.